Good morning, guys. I'm very sleepy. I slept at about 12:45 and I woke up at 4:45. I slept about 4 hours, whatever, because I have a swimming class now. Although my ears are still not well, but I have a swimming class now, followed by yoga and dance at 8:30 and 9:30. It's a different center today because the center next to where I live is shut. So I have to drive there. I'm really hard on myself. And yes, Hindustan is saying, "क्यों कर रहे हो तो गया फिर तो आप." But I have to hit the six pack. I haven't yet hit my goal, and I'm trying to be one of the fittest people in the world. Not just mine. I'm trying to be one of the fittest people in the world. So, and I have to learn swimming. That's been pending all my life. So I'm heading to the swimming club now. I'll catch that later. Good morning, and you have a good day. Okay, I'll catch you later. I'm very sleepy, but there's shit to do, man. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I promise you some deep. सारी उम्र हम मर के जी लिए, एक पल दो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर के जी लिए, एक पल दो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. I wanna grow up once again. Alright guys, this is about 8:15. I had a 6:30 to 7:30 swimming session, which went better than expected. I'll talk about it later. Now I have a yoga session followed by a dance session. So yoga से होगा, क्या होगा पता नहीं, पर yoga से होगा. Alright guys, honestly, it's funny how pronunciation suddenly fucks up sometimes. Honestly, it's been a difficult day. The morning was great. I achieved all the milestones that I wanted to achieve in the morning: swimming, yoga, dance, and I had a filling breakfast after it. I made 3 fried eggs. Then I had some food which my mom had made. So I had some rajma, and I had some dal, and I had a paratha with that. I had my seeds. Chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, which I have every day now, right? And I had scheduled to sleep for 2.5 hours after that, but somehow I just couldn't manage to sleep. My entire body is sore because this was my most hectic week physically in my entire life. My entire life, this was the most hectic week I've had. I had a few strength sessions, I had a few dance sessions. I had 5 swimming sessions. 5 swimming sessions are on the schedule, but there were 6 swimming sessions. Because one of them, because I enrolled for a separate center by mistake, and I couldn't fix it towards the end. By the time I realized it was gone, so one day was reduced from my membership. Secondly, although I managed to do the session in the center close to my place, the center manager allowed me. Yeah, so there are actually 6 sessions. So overall, I did 17 sessions of workout. These are mostly 1-hour sessions. Some of them are like half an hour. The gym sessions, which are 4 sessions, are about half an hour sessions because I do crunches in those sessions. But rest of them, out of 18 sessions, they're all 50-minute sessions. So that's a lot of physical workout. I'm literally put my body to all sort of iron tests this week. The most hectic physical week of my life. I've never worked out this much, this intensely, and there's so much variety. Today I did yoga also. There was yoga, there was dance, there was swimming, there was weights. Everything was there. The only thing we're missing, if you were to look at it that way from a physical perspective, is running. And I may have run on the treadmill also during the week. So running is also there. It's not that, yeah, I would have run on the treadmill one of those days, one of those gym sessions. So everything was there. So it was the whole package: running, swimming, weights, yoga, dance, all of it. It was the most hectic physical week of my life. But unfortunately could not sleep. And I discussed it with ChatGPT, which I call Roger. And as per Roger, it's because my circadian rhythm, it did not allow me. So if I try to sleep about noon, and I generally don't sleep about noon. So my body is not used to sleeping about noon. So my circadian rhythm did not allow me to sleep at that hour. And I've been trying to sleep. I thought I'll do some work also later. I have a lot of work to do, which is pending. And fitness has been taking a lot of time. But yeah, that's the foundation of everything. And that's the foundation of everything. Yeah. I'm a fitness guy doing comedy, writing, business, whatever I do. I'm first a fitness guy. I'm trying to be one of the fittest men of my age and one of the fittest men in the world. That's what I'm trying to do. So I wish I could sleep, but I couldn't sleep. So funnily enough, I also have a trial session at another dance school in the evening. I shouldn't have booked, but I booked it. So they are chasing me. Even if I wanted to cancel it, now I can't cancel it. So that is at 5 o'clock, and that's about an hour and 45 minutes. So 5 to about 7. And then I'll head to the 2 shows tonight. The second show is at 10. So if I go first in that show, I'll finish about 10:45. I should be able to, I'll target to sleep about 11:30 tonight. Because I need the night sleep, right? I hope my circadian rhythm will allow me to sleep tonight. So if I sleep about 11:30 and sleep about 8 hours, I should be okay. I've also been exploring cold water baths. I've been reading about them because a lot of athletes in the world, top athletes like Ronaldo and LeBron, who's a basketball player, they use cold baths to relax their muscles. But I don't think that's for me right now. So Roger is recommending a warm water bath at the end of every day for relaxing, but my shower is not working. Third world problems. The shower is not working, so I need to call the plumber also. I haven't called him for 2 years. July 24 to this is July 26. Yeah, I haven't called the plumber or the electrician in 2 years. The electrician came in October 24. That was not Tuesday. I don't know. But the plumber hasn't been in 2 years, so I need to call the plumber and get my shower fixed. Yeah, there's some plumbing things to fix, so I need to call him. I'll call him tomorrow. Yeah, so it's about 4 now, and I've been lying like a dead body, not being able to sleep since about noon. I have another trial dance class to attend in the evening, and then the shows, and I'll hopefully return for the 10 PM show early so that I can sleep by 11:30. That is the target for tonight. I'm just thinking how to do all the work that I need to do. I thought I'll do some today, but I didn't. There's a guy I need to get back to for some business engagement. There's the book to write, the Gurgaon book that I started writing. There is a happiness coaching to work on. There is a comedy to think about. There's a video that's being edited that's taking forever. There's author Amal Mani videos, the inspirational videos that I need to make. So much to do, my God. Okay, I'll think about it. Hopefully tomorrow, if I get good sleep tonight, I should be able to get on all of that. Because I need to fuel my life financially also. there's a lot of shit that happened in my life in the last 2 years, okay? Before December 25. I lost everything I was building for the last 10, 12 years. I'm literally rebuilding my life from zero. I lost everything. But I shouldn't be alive. So I'll be alright. You know, I shouldn't be alive. So I'll not let anything bother me. Alright guys, I'll not let anything bother me. Alright, thanks for listening. I'm gonna make some chai for myself. Then I need to head for the Crowd Plus. Then I'll be out till about 11, I guess. You know, I'll try to come early so I can sleep on time. That's fine. Try to be happy, okay? Please. I'll be starting one-on-one happiness coaching. So if you are interested in that, write to me, okay? Just comment it. I'll get in touch. I want to be happy and I want to make the world a happy place. The purpose of my life is to make the world a warm, inspired and happier place and have fun while doing it. That's the purpose of my life. Okay? So if you ask me about happiness, I'll respond. Try to be happy. Alright guys, this is the day review. The day was about 6.5 on 10 because although it was great to start with, okay, 7 on 10, fine. Because the morning was great. The morning was swimming and I made significant progress in swimming. I kicked for the first time, although I floated with the float, but I kicked. I went from one end of the pool to another at least 5 times. So that's great. That's really good progress. So about 6.5 to 7 is my rating. I'm not sure. After that, I planned to sleep. I had scheduled like 2.5 hours to sleep because last night I had only slept about 4 hours because the show was late. Then I had swimming in the morning. But I just couldn't sleep. So I chatted with ChatGPT and it told me it is because your circadian rhythm is not allowing you to sleep at this hour. So I kept trying to sleep, but I just couldn't sleep. So that kept me really drowsy for the rest of the day actually. The morning was only good. After that, the day was pretty drowsy. Even there were 2 shows, I did only 1 show because I was not feeling like health-wise up to it. So I'm really sleepy and this has been a killing week physically. I've done 17 sessions of workout, 5 sessions of swimming, strength, dance, yoga, everything. So I really need sleep tonight. So I'm gonna sleep so that rest of the week I have a lot of work to do. Plus there is swimming to catch up on, plus there is work to catch up on, plus there is life to catch up on. Lots to do guys. So that'll be it for the day. Good night. I wish you happiness. Try to be happy. It's hard but try. Okay, good night.